Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz Jeep to look at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Here we go. Let's review the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4x4 soft top offered in Sting Gray exterior. What a great name. It's offered by Lou Fusz Jeep. For additional information or a test drive, contact Alan. His information is listed below. Here we see the full-size spare tire and wheel. We have incandescent rear taillights, a Class 2 towing package. This vehicle has trailer sway dampening, electronic roll mitigation, electronic stability control, trailer tow and heavy-duty electrical group, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness. As we zoom in on the 17-inch black steel wheels wrapped with 245/75 R17-inch tires. We move around to the front. We have halogen headlamps, fog lamps, and we have one-touch power top. Hey, it's the Videopreneur. If you like the videos, hit like, subscribe, make a comment, hell, hit the bell on the way out. Thanks again for watching. Just to finish up on a few items on the exterior, we have skid plates on the fuel tank, transfer case, and transmission. As we get a great look at the dash and the front driver and passenger seat, we get a better look here. We have steering wheel controls, as seen here, center stack. Vehicle also has anti-spin rear differential, 60/40 rear fold-down seats, air conditioning, rear cup holders and the air vents. Here we get a great look at the steering wheel controls, fingertip controls, the center stack. It is a 6-speed manual transmission, so they're a hell of a lot more fun than driving an automatic. It is 4-wheel drive. Here we get a great look at the roll bar. Manual roll down windows, going old school here. Get a great look at the passenger area, center stack. It is a 4x4. There's a manual window. Manual door locks as well. Don't want to miss out on that one. Here we see the instrument cluster. It is a digital cluster, which makes it really easy to read. The center stack, you have a Uconnect 3 with a 3.5-inch screen. We have additional power ports. We don't have the power windows, so that little cubby right there, that's where the power windows would go. So you got a little place for your couple of cubbies there for extra change or other items. 6-speed manual, as I mentioned. So you got the third pedal to the left. As far as the center console, you got 2 levels. You got a tray as well as a deep console and additional power ports. Somebody asked me if that was the key. It is not. That's why I pointed it out. The key is right there at the handle for the glove box. That's just a rivet on both sides of the oh you know what bar. As we go through the functionality of the Uconnect 3, we have SiriusXM. We have a 1-year subscription on SiriusXM. We have integrated voice command with Bluetooth. We do have manual locks on this, so you got a nice key fob here. And as far as storage capacity, it's 12.9 cubic feet with the seats in the upright position. As we unlock the back door and open that up, we do also have an additional 12-volt power port. And then you also see the D-clips there that you can strap things down in the back. All-weather floor mats. And there's a great look at the full-size spare. The engine is a 3.6 liter, 285 horse, 6-speed manual transmission, 17 city, 23 highway.